In this video, I'll show you how to remove objects from videos in CapCut Mobile. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. From the home screen, tap New Project, then choose the video you want to edit. After selecting it, tap Add to place the video on the timeline. Once your video is loaded, play it and find the object you want to remove. This could be a small item in the background, a logo, a mark, or anything distracting in the frame. Now tap the video clip to select it. Look through the bottom toolbar for tools like Remove Objects, Retouch, AI Remove, Magic Tools, or Cutout. The exact name can be different depending on your CapCut version and region. If your app has an object removal tool, tap it and brush over the object you want to remove. Try to cover the full object, but avoid brushing over important parts of the video. After selecting the object, tap Apply or Remove, and CapCut will process the area. When the removal is finished, play the video and check the result. If the object is still visible, repeat the process or brush over the area again more carefully. If you do not see an object removal tool, you can hide the object instead. One method is to crop the video so the object is outside the frame. Tap Edit, then choose Crop, and adjust the frame. Another method is to cover the object with a sticker, text, blur effect, or overlay. Place it over the unwanted object, resize it, and adjust the timing so it stays covered while the object is visible. For moving objects, you may need to split the video into smaller sections and adjust the cover or blur in each part. Finally, preview the full video from the beginning, make sure the edit looks clean and nothing important is covered. Then tap Export in the top right corner and save the finished video to your phone. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.